Double tap to view site information. Double tap and hold to long press.
Hello everyone, this is Alex Mitov, a user tester with accessible.org. Today, what I'll be demonstrating is how I user test on an Android device. I've currently got Amazon.com's homepage pulled up on my Google Pixel 10 Pro. I'm in the Chrome browser, and I've got TalkBack enabled. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to swipe right through some of the elements just to see what happens here.
Amazon.com, edit box. New tab, C1 tab, customize and control. Amazon.com, spend less, smile more, web view. Open all categories menu, button, collapsed. Amazon, link. Sign in, link. Your account, link. Card, link. Search Amazon, search text field. Clear search keywords, link. Go, button. Double tap to activate.
So interesting why it says go twice. The double tap to activate is of course an Android hint message. So what I'll do, I'll swipe back and I'll go ahead and open up the all categories menu, for example.
Clear search keywords, link. Search Amazon, search text field. Card, link. Double tap to activate. Actions available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
It's only links that I'm hearing, but let's see if I hear some headings in that menu like I did on iOS.
Your account, link. Sign in. Amazon. Open all categories. Close menu. Button. Double. Sign in. Link. Browse Amazon. Link. Amazon Home. Link. Trending. Heading to. Double tap to activate.
Oh, that's strange. What happens if I activate the heading? Maybe is the Android experience a little different?
Movers and shakers. Link. Top departments. Heading to. Mover. Trending. Heading to. Double tap to activate. Movers and shakers. Link. Double tap to activate.
Interesting. So maybe that's just built into Android rather than the actual site itself. So keep that in mind when users use your site through Android. If they have hints enabled, it might enable or it might have extra text being read out that's actually not part of your site at all. It's part of the operating system. So what I'll go ahead and do is double tap to activate the movers and shakers link.
0%. Chrome, Amazon.com movers and shakers. The biggest gainers in Amazon sales rank over the past 24 hours. Amazon.com movers and shakers. The biggest gainers in Amazon sales rank over the past 24 hours. Web view.
I'll now go ahead and swipe with 3 fingers, left and right, and see if I can navigate by heading. This is like adjusting the rotor on iOS, except here it isn't called the rotor and it's a different gesture.
Typing focus delay. Speech rate. Screen search. Links. Controls. Headings. Amazon movers and shakers. Heading 1. Movers and shakers. Heading 1. Movers and shakers in kitchen and dining. See more. Heading to link. Double tap to activate. Movers and shakers in arts, crafts, and sewing. See more.
So
Heading to link.
I'm just going
double tap to activate.
Navigating up and down through the headings here.
Movers and shakers in kitchen and dining. See more. Heading to link. Movers and shakers. Heading 1.
Interesting. It's not saying double tap to activate when I'm moving this way. So if you get any inquiries about Android users having extra text being read out, just know that it might not be on your site. It might be part of the operating system itself or part of TalkBack. So thanks for watching and listening along. I hope you appreciated this video. And if you want a demo like this on your own website where I'll test with my Android device and you'll get the recording, just go ahead and reach out to accessible.org and we'll be happy to help.
Notification shade. Quick settings. Microphone in use. Double. Monday. Emergency. 18 for battery. Display. Wi-Fi signal full. On. Not connected. Bluetooth. Off. Off. Modes. Button. Notification shade. Double tap. Expand. See your health data. Stop. Button. Double tap to activate.